As air and missile threats have continued to increase, the Air Force has responded by operating from a large number of small operating locations during times of conflict, increasing the need for reliable communication and situational awareness. C2IMERA is a command and control tool that provides the ability to perform with increased success in situations requiring disconnected operations. C2IMERA is accessible anywhere and on any device with a web browser. You only need a common access card and a C2IMERA account. To understand how C2IMERA can help with disconnected ops, let's use the C2IMERA Common Operating Picture, or COP, to look at the PAC-F theater. This view showcases the power that C2IMERA provides with respect to command and control in the Agile combat environment. In this scenario, Andersen Air Force Base has been degraded, which has presented the need to stand up 2 forward operating locations. You can see Andersen Air Force Base as the main base, and the forward operating locations at Tainan and Saipan. Any level of leadership is able to look at the COP at each location and see the current conditions and situation for all 3 bases. With Andersen as the main operating base, the base leadership can easily send directives and collaborate with the forward operating locations. A simple change to the FPCON is easily communicated and acknowledged by all the FOLs. In addition, you can take a closer look at the FOLs to see any available resources, such as munitions. You can account for personnel, track any active recalls, and create critical base operating assets as the FOL is standing up, such as a tent city or the ECP. C2IMERA effectively supports command and control both at the FOL and also at the higher headquarter level. In the event that an FOL loses connectivity, wing leadership and higher headquarters can view the most recent state of the location. Personnel at the FOL can continue operations and update C2IMERA once connectivity is restored. Once the information is updated, leadership can regain situational awareness. For example, you can now see that part of the runway is unusable, and parking locations have been moved as a result. In addition, you can see an active sweep taking place. Notice that the color of the facility changes as reports are coming in. Finally, an active recall is now in progress, which can be easily monitored with C2IMERA. FOLs with a localized version of C2IMERA can continue working when internet connectivity is lost. In the future, C2IMERA will provide the ability to work offline and save updates to be synchronized when internet connectivity is restored. C2IMERA is government-owned software that supports Agile combat employment on all levels and can be utilized on both SIPR and NIPR.